welcome to Slight Return Knits, where we take vintage patterns and turn them into contemporary designs. So with summer coming up, at least in theory, though it's hard to tell with this gray cloudy day behind me here in New England, I wanted to pick up a project that I've always wanted to do, but haven't had the opportunity to finish successfully yet. So I am going to make a knit bikini.
Summer's here, it's a holiday. School is out, now it's time to play. Just get the school books out of reach. We're gonna go to Bikini Beach. That's it. That's right.
I went online on Etsy and found a great pattern for a bikini. It was actually a crochet bikini pattern, but I think that I'll be able to translate it pretty nicely for a knit pattern instead. This particular bikini pattern that we're looking at here is that it's really quintessentially a 1970s pattern. If we go back to like the 50s, you'll see really constructed, very formal bikinis that really aim to kind of mold the body of the wearer. As we move into the 60s, while the shaping and the contours of the bikini itself relaxed a bit, the designs still leaned really heavily into primary colors and graphic design. Moving into the 1970s, kind of pull in some of the later 60s counterculture and inspired by the Back to the Land movement, which also gained a lot of traction in the 1970s, particularly around like do-it-yourself fashion. Bikinis became a lot looser and were shaped by the body as opposed to imposing a shape on the body. So that's the kind of design context for the bikini that we're going to be trying today.